What up? It's your boy Janini and welcome again for a new tutorial. Today we're doing BTS 2.0. Alright, so
Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel.
We do easy dance tutorial of popular dance moves and viral dances.
And we post a video every week. Now back to the tutorial.
Section 1. This is the preview. It's going to be stop, pop, 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 pop. Alright? Now let's break it down. So, you want to start with doing a stop. It can be random, just the way you want. Stop. Alright? I choose to go this way, stop. And this is on 1. Then you wait on 2. Then you're going to cross on 3. Boom, you cross with your left back. And you twist your heels on the right. Boom, like this. So, it's click. Okay? And my hands is pointing down, my right, and my left, it's up like this. So it goes click. Okay? So we did the stop. You wait on 2, and then you cross. Okay, so during this section, we're going to be moving heel, toe, like this, heel, toe, going towards my left, but we can do it at the same spot also. So let's say at the same spot so it's easier instead of just going, and I will go off the frame. So just keep doing this at the same time while we're moving the hands, okay? So we did the click, then up, then here, up, collect, and up, and down, and grab, and head. So slow. Boom. 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 Okay? Same time with the legs. It goes 7, 8. Boom. 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 Head. Okay? One more time now with the stop in the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Boom, 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 head. Let's try to slow even more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 head. Okay? Now, practice time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Boom, 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 head. Again. 6, 7, 8. Stop. Wait. Boom, 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 head. All right, section 2. This is the preview. So you hear on the head, you're gonna just bounce, boom, 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 boom. That's up. Let's break it down. So from here, I'm just gonna bounce from from left to right. I start here, there, 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 there. I'm moving my heel, but you can also stay. It's up to you how you wanna spice it. So bounce, 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 bounce. 4 times. 7, 8. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, 8. Bounce, 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 bounce. Remember, you can do it with your heels. Yes, after that, I'm just gonna kick on the right and pull up and back at the same time. So right, whoop, whoop, whoop. So the first time I'm just crossing my hands in front here, cross, and then second time I pull down and then cross, open, and then head up and down. All right, so it's like a boom, 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 boom. Again, this part 7 and 8, boom, 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 boom. Now same time with the leg, 7, 8, boom, 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 boom. Yes. Now from the start of the second section, 7, 8, boom, 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 boom. Yes. One more time. 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 boom. Let's practice it. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 boom. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 boom. Now section 3, the preview. So you end up here, you're gonna go step, step, down, boom, 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 head, full end, and a big click, boom, boom. Let's break it down, 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 down. So you were here. I'm gonna step in on the right, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left. Then I'm just going down. Okay, so it's gonna be right, left, down. From here, I'm stepping out with the right. Same time, I put my right hands here. So it's gonna be right, bring the left, boom, and twist. I'll turn you right hand. So down, step, step. Okay, from here I'm gonna knock on the outside, boom. At the same time, I'm jumping on my right. So it's like boom, and then I collect. So let's take it again slow. 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 boom. Again, 7, 8, boom, 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 boom. One more time, slower. 7, 8, boom, 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 boom. After this, I just turn my head to the right, zoom. Very simple here, boom, towards the right, and 1. Then I'm gonna jump with my right in front on the heel and twist. So it's like boom, twist. 7, 8, 1, 2. At the same time, my hands are going out, in, out, in. My right over there, my left up, boom. Same time, 1, 2. Okay, let's try again this move. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Again, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. From here, I'm gonna jump out, click, and bring my hands here. Jump out, click, and in. So in, knees in, heels out, and hands, bring them back. So boom. So you're gonna jump and yes, one more time. 6, 7, 8, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7 again, boom, boom. Yes, and then from here I'm gonna jump and cross the right in front, go boom. Yes, go boom. And here I have my hands like this going up and so boom, boom. By the way, the jump is at the same time here. Cross. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross. And the shoulder goes do, hit. So together slow. 6, 7, 8, boom, boom. Again. 6, 7, 8, boom, boom. Again. 6, 7, 8, boom, boom. And then from here, I'm just gonna step out, right, left. So 6, 7, 8, right, left. Same times, my hands is going roll and place. So roll and place. You can also do it to the other side because some members do it to the left, some to the right. It's up to you. Roll and place. So here, do doom. Okay, so let's try again this first section. So I was here, I go boom, down, step, and knock back, head, jump, and jump, and jump, and step, and yes, slower. 6, 7, and 8. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Cool. Now, fourth section, which is the last section, preview. I'm here. It's gonna be click, and then you just freestyle from here, whatever you like. Freestyle, 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 stop. Very simple, the last section. Let's break it down, down. Here. So basically, I'm gonna go whoop, 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 towards the outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. And my heels is doing da, 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 or you can just groove the way you want, okay? But go 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time, slow. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Again. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. From here, you're just gonna lift your left and hit, boom, up with the right hand, boom. All right. Again, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. And then you just freestyle, 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 and stop. Let's practice again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 ha, ta, 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 ta. Okay, now let's try From the top, very slow, the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Boom. 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 Head. Boom. 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 Freestyle, 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 freestyle. Stop. A little bit faster. Let's try. Yes. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Boom. 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 Click. Boom. 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 Cut. Stop. All right. Thank you guys. That's it for today. Peace.
Thanks for watching our video till the end.
I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment.
And please like and subscribe.
Bye.